Okay, last box. Been waiting for these for a little while. I think what's in there is anyway. So these look like 2-cylinder boxes to me. They're taped together, which is exactly what I've been waiting for. Sounds like 2 cylinders that are flopping around. Sounds exactly like 2 cylinders. So there's what's in the box, right? Yeah, you're dreaming. That's what was in the box until they put the stock ones on the bike. I don't know what size those were. Oh, look at that. Brand new piston. Ah, there's a cylinder in the box. What a shocker. And a head gasket. Ooh, and a base gasket. Now that I needed. Alright. Perfect. Now, 102 means it's a 114. 100 means it's a 107. 117 has a 109 sitting there. Now look how many miles are on this. See how new the surface is? This gasket came right off and it looks brand new. I bet you could reuse this gasket. So this is obviously a brand new bike that came in. Already damaged. So these are supposed to be 4-inch bore. Look at the rings, they're not even broken in. Barely even got any carbon in it. Barely any carbon on the piston. There's barely a mark in the skirt where it's been running up and down. The rings look like they're not even broken in yet. Nope, they're not even broken in yet. So I can reuse all of this stuff too. So there you go.